Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Leak, and we back here with another lit video. So I just came here to talk to you guys today. I know the scenery look different. If it does, it's because I'm in New York right now, handling some business. But anyways, today we're gonna be working on a BMW 535 F10 that I'm rebuilding. We had got a lot of work done today, so we changed the headlight bracket, we changed the hood hinge, which is actually pretty hard to get to. You have to remove a lot of stuff to even get it out the way. But yeah, basically in today's video we're going to be upgrading the engine bay for only $10, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and I'm going to show you what I did. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, but you got to stay tuned to see how it was done. But yeah, you know, we're out here working. Next up is getting the headlights on the car, everything, seeing the full car together. Mwah, beautiful. And I also got a new surprise build coming to the channel. Bet you guys wonder what it is, but stay tuned to find out, y'all. It's your boy Garage Boy Leak, and we gonna get into today's video. Peace.
Monkey.
So we had to take off the support bar. It was 5 13mm screws. You got to use a wrench at the bottom and get it off. Now it should come out, and we should be able to get to everything on that side.
Monkey. monkey.
Alright guys, so we got this headlight bracket and a new hood hinge on. Now we just gotta screw back and bolt everything up. Little plastic pieces. And then we're letting the braces that go inside the engine bay dry right now. We painted them red. We're gonna go over it with another coat and clear it in a little. But yeah, that's everything that's going on right now. Boom. Yeah, we'll get back to work and we'll show you the finished product. That's all there is. Everything came out good. Got the headlight brackets, got the new hood hinge place, everything says flush. Close this, show you guys finished product. Look at that fitment. Boy, we gotta get the hood buffed. Also that fender, gotta go buy a little buffer. But anyways, yeah, this is everything that we had done today. Fitment's pretty flush. So what would you say about today? Was it pretty successful?
And I feel like the car, and I'm saying this shit ain't fucking with my shit, but...
Stop it. Get some help.
We gonna give your car an inspection just now. Hey Pop, what you feel like? Today was a successful day?
Yeah, man, killed it.
You know, all thanks to this great man right here, the master mechanic. Any wise words from Dreddy today?
Nah, Dreddy just chilling today, bro.
Dreddy just chilling.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
Jerry.
All right, but yeah, guys, got some work done today. Catch it back when we get the headlights and everything all assembled. That's the only thing that's left. We got 2 headlights coming. They should be both by Wednesday. They both should be here by Wednesday is what I meant to say. You know, then we're gonna throw in the front bumper. I got the kidney grills coming. And then after that, we're gonna get into the maintenance that we're gonna do in the engine. You know, gotta change the water pump, the thermostats, the spark plugs, coil packs, and the oil. You know, once we, you know, it's maintenance before mods.
Show them some real cars.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
We got the E90. We got the 2006 E90 right here. Next little Challenger, some American muscle. And then we got the bad baby right here. Whew. Big bad AMG. I feel like his shit is better than mine, but really not. And then we got a base model M4. I mean, shit clean though. Can't hate on it. Nice S55 engine, but still base model. Base model. Just want to point that out. It's a base model. It's clean, but it's a base model. Also, just like to point it out, it's a base model. And that doesn't come with a backup camera. See, how did it feel to buy a base model M4? Does your car have a backup camera?
It's about to in a few.
Well, yeah, you know, we got some lit content coming for you guys. But other than that, today was successful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to share the video with your friends. Peace.